my channel No Marinated, where I talk about a ton of topics such as lifestyle, fashion, beauty, fitness, anything that's going to help us live our best life possible. So today I have a ton of products that I want to share with you. I am combating a lot of issues with my hair, specifically fallout, thinning, and maybe some damaging. I'm not even too sure at this point what is causing all of these hair issues, but I am working very hard on trying to fix it. Now, I've been styling and straightening my hair for over 20 years. My hair is naturally curly. This is my natural hair, but I've never liked wearing it this way. I always wanted straight hair, and over the years I have straightened, curled, blow dried pretty much almost every single day. And it could have resulted in a lot of hair damage, and it could possibly finally be catching up to me. So until I can figure out exactly what is causing all of the fallout and the thinning, I've purchased a ton of products that I wanted to share with you today for thinning, damaged, and colored hair. So if you're interested in checking out those products that I've been using to combat these issues, then go ahead and keep watching. So one of the first products I'm going to be talking about here today, I actually found by accident. I was in the process of looking for like a thickening shampoo, something to help with my scalp and stimulation, and I turned around in the aisle and my eye was immediately drawn to this. I love the packaging, especially the color. This is one of my favorite colors, and this is from a line called Him and Hers. This is a thickening shampoo and conditioner, and it helps with reducing shedding. It comes with a triple thread of biotin, saw palmetto, and pumpkin seed oil. The product itself is sulfate-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. So if you feel like you're having a lot of shedding and a lot of fallout, this product is supposed to really help stimulate the follicles and help with re-thickening up your hair. I will leave links down below for all the products that I talk about here today. What I liked in the package that it also came with is a hair growth treatment, and it also came with biotin gummies. Now, I already had purchased the Sugar Bear hair, but the fact that I would have more gummies once those ran out really drew my eye. By building up the biotin and taking a daily dose of it, you're really helping with the benefit of folic acid to support hair, skin, and nails, which is key to having strong hair. Now, with the hair growth treatment that it came with, it suggests that, now this is a 1-month supply, it's supposed to reactivate your hair follicles to stimulate regrowth, which is something that I really am struggling with, because I'm so worried that the hair obviously is not going to grow back, which I'm sure a lot of other women is having that issue. I'm only 40 years old, and I cannot even imagine what it would be like to lose my hair. I do wear extensions, and like I said, I've over processed my hair over the years, so I stopped using all heating tools for right now, and that's why I've been wearing my hair all natural lately, because I really want to reduce any more damage that I could possibly cause to my hair. So I'm really focused on taking care of it, taking a lot of vitamins, and really building up that biotin so I can strengthen the folic acids and I can strengthen my hair, skin, and nails. So I really like that it came with this as well. So you get the 4 in the package, and like I said, I will leave everything down below, but it came with the thickening shampoo, the thickening conditioner, the biotin pills, and the regrowth treatment. So when I started researching on what could be causing the hair to shed and fall out, I read a bunch of articles on how some of the most top name shampoo and conditioning hair product lines like Pantene and Tresemme, which 2 are the major products that I've been using religiously, obviously throughout many years, are some of the products can cause the most damage. So as soon as I read that, I stopped using those products immediately, again, to prevent any more damage to my hair. And I was looking for a shampoo and a conditioner that would really bring out more of a maintenance quality to it. So I wound up finding a brand called Olaplex. And this is a bond maintenance shampoo and conditioner. I got them both, and this is supposed to repair, straighten, and nourish all types of hair. I got a small bottle for now because I didn't know how I was going to like it, and I'm not sure if I wanted to commit to it. And I believe these bottles are about $14.99 each. Like I said, I'll leave everything linked down below. But Olaplex, I read a whole bunch on their product line, and they really help with repairing hair. So Olaplex is a bond building treatment formula, and it chemically restores and repairs your hair. So keeping up with the trend of shampoo and conditioner, I was on the hunt to find a shampoo and conditioner that was going to really lock in color on my hair. Now, I dye my hair at least 4 to 6 times a week, which I'm sure caused some of the damaging. I have a lot of graying. I get a lot around the hairline and down the center, and I'll leave a link above for you so you could go ahead and check a video out that I did for dyeing techniques at home for beginners. Now, I've been literally dyeing my hair for like over 20 years. I started to go gray, I want to say around the age of 35, but before that I was coloring it because I wanted, you know, highlights and streaks and all different types of hair color. I did it. So not crazy colors, but just, you know, you wanted like a caramel highlight and stuff like that. So but it was really hard for me to keep up with highlights when I started going gray so fast. Now, I dye my hair at home, like I said, and I've been just using like the L'Oreal box, like L'Oreal Preference and stuff. And I think that using some of those products really caused some of the damage. So I came across a company called Madden, which was a hair dyeing subscription kit that you could get sent to your house so you can do your dyeing at home. It is paraben free, cruelty free, they don't test on animals, it's vegan, and it is ammonia free. I love the packaging. It came with gloves, a cap, it came with like a big set of instructions, and I really liked how well produced the product itself was. You take a short quiz and they pretty much match you up with your specific hair dye that would work best for you and your hairstyle. So I'll leave a color right here for you of the color that they chose for me, and I thought when I got it, it was going to be a little too light for me, but it wound up being just perfect. I wanted to shoot a whole IGTV a video for you of me doing a first impressions on it, but because of all the issues that I've been having with my hair, I thought it would be best just to hold off on that for a while. But I did wound up using the product, and I really actually really like it. So I'll leave a link down below for you so you could go ahead and check out Madden for yourself. And I really like the product, but I wanted a shampoo and conditioner that was going to lock in that color so I wouldn't have to dye it as often. So I came across a company called Amika. I think that's how you say it. First of all, I love the packaging. It smells amazing. It smells so amazing. And this is, I guess, called the Vault. And this is a color lock conditioner and shampoo. And so far, I have been loving the way this makes my hair feel. It comes out feeling so soft, and my hair does look a lot vibrant in color as well. So it does put the vibrancy back in your hair. UV filters, antioxidants, and hydrators deliver a shade of strength and moisture. You just obviously wash your hair as normal and use the shampoo and the conditioner, and it's supposed to really lock in your color so it doesn't fade as quickly. Really brings out those vibrant colors for you, which is what I was looking for. I want the dye to last longer so I don't have to dye it as often. So the next product is from a line that I have been obsessed with lately, like literally obsessed, and it is the Raw Sugar Living line. I love their stuff. First of all, it smells delicious. This is papaya butter plus coconut with hemp seed oil, and this is called Mighty Curls. It is a intensifying, hydrating hair mask for curly hair. It's made with cold pressed ingredients and tames frizz, softens and shines, and defines bouncy curls. So I really wanted to use a hair mask so I can lock in all that moisture in my curls, make them more bouncy, and let them last and sustain a lot longer. I don't love like that wet look, but right now it's all that's really working for me. And I'll talk about some of the products that I've been using to style my hair this way, but this is really living unfiltered. This is one of the best products that I completely stand by. I love their formula. I love their line. And this is a deep conditioning treatment. I also have their hand wash, their foaming hair wash, hand soap. I also have their lotions, and I just love their product. So the next product I have actually a couple of their products. Is called Way. Way is one of my favorite hairlines of all times. Their products smell so amazing and they work really well. The product I've been loving the most so far is the leave-in conditioner. I have been on the hunt to find a leave-in conditioner that doesn't leave my hair feel heavy and just greasy and oily, and this does not do that for me. I wanted to, after I get in the shower and my hair is still damp, I wanted to be able to throw in some leave-in conditioner. So far this is what I've been using to do that, and I've been loving this product so far. It really smooths and softens my hair and untangles it, which I really like, because when you have curly hair, your hair can get really tangled, and running a brush through it every single time is just not ideal. It breaks the curls, it damages the curls. So this really works with untangling your hair, helps really soften those curls and define them. The next product from Way that I have been using this for a good 2 years. I don't know what this smells like. I always say it. I cannot put my finger. If someone else knows what this reminds them of, please let me know. But the smell of this, the scent of this reminds me of a perfume from like the 90s. I can't remember if it was like the Body Shop maybe, or maybe the Gap. I want to say the Body Shop, but I cannot remember. There was, or maybe United Colors of Benetton. I want to say, if anybody remembers that scent. But this smells so, I will drench my body in this stuff. It smells so good. And the hair oil is so light. It's not sticky at all, and it makes my curls really, really defined. I like to put it in my hair when it's still damp, but you could also use this on dry hair as well. And then I just purchased, now this was on sale at Sephora, I think I paid $24.99 for this. This is the Hair and Body Shine Mist. This is so beautiful. It comes out when you spray it like a rosy glow, like a rosy gold glow, and it is for your hair and for your body as well. So if you want to put a little bit of a bronzy color back onto your skin, maybe you just got a tan, or you're going out that night and you just want your skin and your body to shine and your hair to shine, then this is definitely the product for you. The way the can looks, this rose gold color, is exactly the way it comes out on your skin. It is absolutely beautiful and it smells amazing. So I would definitely recommend, if you want just an all body glow from head to toe, this is one of the products for you. It has a weightless finishing mist and really gives your body a all natural, like a lit from within glow. So one product that really combats damaged and dry hair is Moroccan oil. So I picked up this from OGX. This is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. It's extra penetrating for dry and coarse hair. It's a blend of infused argan oil and Morocco oil, and it really helps to revive, smooth, and restore the luster back to damaged, dry, and coarse hair. So they really say that using a product like this will really help bring all that moisture back in. The Moroccan oil is really light and it smells really, really good. So this is another product in case the Way is a little bit too expensive for you. This one is a great price point and will work just as well. So right now I'm not applying any heat to my hair. I'm staying away from all styling tools because I don't want to damage the hair any further. But if I did want to use some type of blow dryer, maybe if I wanted to try and go straight, or just being that it's very warm outside, I wanted to protect my hair from any heat. So I picked up the Kerastase. This is the Resistant Heat Protecting Seal Resurfacing Straightening Milk that is specifically used for blow drying and damaged hair. So the next product I have is actually a heat protective primer. This is from the brand Bumble and Brumble. I love their product line. They have great hair products. This is an invisible oil. It's heat and UV protective primer. It's really supposed to protect your hair from heat or heat damage. So that was something that I really was looking for and wanted to pick up, because being that it's summertime and I knew I was going to be out in the sun a lot, or maybe in the pool, I wanted something that was going to protect my hair. And I know Bumble is a great line. And I got a small bottle for Mal because I wanted to make sure this was a product, because I've never used this specific one before. But I got a small bottle for now, and I figured I could just throw it in my purse. And if I felt like my hair was getting a little too dry, or the moisture was coming out of it and was really getting too dry and coarse, I could actually just spray this in. It works well on both damp and dry hair. Two products that I've been using to actually style my hair are what's been giving me my curls. So the first product that I came across is a brand called Cake. And oh my god, this smells delicious. It literally just smells like cake. It smells so good. And this specific lotion is called the Curl Friends. It is totally to die for defining curl cream. It is specifically made to fight frizz. It's curl defying and gloss silk styling for curly hair. So obviously this is the style that I've been going for lately. I really want to bring out my natural curls and restore them back to the condition that they should be in. So curling my hair every day and putting just a little product in it. I'm trying to not overuse any overuse of products either, because I don't want to put that and like clog the pores as well. But this is really light and it smells delicious, and I just put a little bit on the palm of my hand and I rub it in when my hair is damp, and I just scrunch it in to get the curls that I'm looking for. My hair is really this curly, so there's really not much that I need to do. But if I want to put some texture into my hair and really make the curls just more bouncy and bigger, I use the Way Texturing Hairspray, and this really holds the curl and locks it in, and it gives it a lot of volume. So Way, again, is just one of my favorite products. This smells so good. It lasts me a really, really long time. I just put a little bit, and this also can be used as a dry shampoo as well. So if you're in between washes and you want to just build up that volume, you can use this in your hair. Just rub it into the scalp and just structure it so that it brings you up some volume, and then you are good to go. I also use the texturing hairspray when I'm putting on my extensions, which I have not been using those either at all because obviously I don't want any weight on the root, so I've been holding off using any of my extensions. But when I do wear my extensions, this is really good to use because I just tease the hair and then I spray it, and then I'm able to apply the wefts, and the wefts stay in place really tight and they don't move when I use the texturing hairspray. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot about some of the products that could help you if you have thinning or damaged or colored hair. If you're anything like me and you're going through something similar, it could be very frustrating. You don't know what to do, you don't know where to turn, and obviously you don't want to make this situation any worse. So I'll leave links below to all the products that I talk about here today so you can go ahead and check them out. And if you have any suggestions from me on what you're using to combat the same issue, please leave me a comment below and I will definitely take you up on your suggestions. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get alerts every time I make a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your reviews. Your support is so appreciative. I'll leave links down below for other videos that I think that you may enjoy, and if there's something that you specifically want to see, make sure you leave a comment below. So for now, have a great week. Bye.